if I told you people are making real money with AI, while most are still just watching? Not complicated systems, not get-rich-quick schemes, just simple, practical side hustles using tools that are mostly free. In this video, we're breaking down AI side hustles that actually work, and how you can start one. AI freelance writing and content creation. This is probably the easiest entry point for most people. Businesses of every size need content, blog posts, product descriptions, email newsletters, social media captions, website copy. And they need a lot of it. What used to take a writer hours can now be done in a fraction of the time using AI tools like ChatGPT, Claude, or Jasper. But here is the key thing most beginners miss. The money is not in just generating AI text and pasting it somewhere. The money is in knowing how to direct the AI, clean up the output, match a brand's tone, and deliver something that actually works for the client. Writers who use AI smartly are now handling 3 to 5 times more work than they could before, which means they can take on more clients or charge the same rate while working far fewer hours. Platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, and even cold outreach on LinkedIn are full of businesses actively looking for content help. If you already have decent writing skills and you are willing to learn how to work with AI tools properly, this side hustle can go from a few $100s a month to several thousand pretty quickly. Selling AI-generated digital products. Digital products are one of the best ways to make money while you sleep, and AI has made creating them dramatically easier. Think about things like ebooks, workbooks, templates, prompt packs, Notion dashboards, or printable planners. In the past, creating a well-designed ebook might have taken weeks. Now, with AI helping you draft the content and tools like Canva helping with the design, you can put together a solid digital product in a weekend. The real power here is that once the product is created, you sell it over and over without any extra work. Platforms like Gumroad, Etsy, and Payhip make it simple to list and sell digital downloads. What sells well right now includes AI prompt bundles for specific niches like business, education, or photography, as well as how-to guides for popular tools, business templates, and niche-specific planners or trackers. The people doing well in this space are not trying to create one big product and wait for it to go viral. AI video and YouTube automation. YouTube automation channels have been around for a while, but AI has made this business model much more accessible than it used to be. The idea is to create faceless YouTube channels that publish videos consistently, grow an audience, and earn money through AdSense, affiliate links, or sponsorships without you ever showing your face or recording your voice. AI tools now cover nearly every step of the process. ChatGPT or Claude can write the script. Tools like 11 Labs or Murph can generate a realistic voiceover. Pictory, InVideo, or CapCut can turn that script and voiceover into a full video with footage, transitions, and captions. The niches that tend to work best for this are things like finance, history, self-improvement, mystery, technology, and true crime. Topics with broad appeal that are easy to script. The channels that succeed are the ones that treat it like a real business. Consistent upload schedule, strong thumbnails, good SEO in the titles and descriptions, and a clear topic focus. Now, this side hustle takes more time to show results than some others on this list. AI-powered social media management. Small business owners are overwhelmed. They are trying to run a business, serve customers, and also keep up with posting on Instagram, Facebook, LinkedIn, and TikTok. Most of them are terrible at it, not because they do not care, but because they simply do not have the time or the skills. This is where you come in. As an AI-powered social media manager, you use tools like ChatGPT to generate caption ideas and post copy, Canva to create the graphics, and scheduling tools like Buffer or Later to automate posting. What used to require a full-time social media agency can now be handled by one person managing multiple clients efficiently. The business model is straightforward. You charge a monthly retainer, typically somewhere between $300 and $1,000 per client depending on the scope, and you deliver a set number of posts per week, with captions, graphics, and hashtags included. Local businesses like restaurants, salons, gyms, real estate agents, and dentists are great starting points because they often have money to spend on marketing but no idea how to do social media themselves. Start with 1 or 2 clients, build a simple portfolio showing before and after results, and use that as proof to land more. A lot of people in this space are managing 5 to 10 clients at once and clearing 5 figures a month, which sounds ambitious but is absolutely doable once you have a clean, repeatable system in place. Building and selling AI chatbots for businesses. This one has a slightly steeper learning curve, but the earning potential is significantly higher. Businesses are actively looking for ways to automate customer service, lead generation, and FAQ handling without hiring more staff. AI chatbots can do all of that, and the demand right now is bigger than the supply of people who can build them. The good news is that you do not need to be a developer. Platforms like ManyChat, Chatbase, and VoiceFlow let you build functional professional chatbots using drag-and-drop interfaces and simple configuration. You train the chatbot on the business's information, their products, pricing, common questions, policies, and then connect it to their website or social channels. Once it is live, it handles inquiries 24/7 without any human involvement. You can charge a setup fee anywhere from $500 to several $1,000s depending on the complexity, plus a monthly maintenance retainer for updates and improvements. Industries like e-commerce, real estate, medical clinics, law firms, and service businesses are especially good targets. To get started, build a few demo chatbots in different niches and show potential clients exactly what their experience would look like. Seeing a working demo removes the skepticism and makes the sale much easier. As you build a portfolio and reputation, referrals alone can keep your calendar full. AI prompt engineering and consulting. Most people using AI tools are barely scratching the surface of what these tools can do, simply because they do not know how to prompt them effectively. If you have spent real time learning how to get the best results out of ChatGPT, Midjourney, Claude, or other tools, that knowledge is genuinely valuable, and people will pay for it. Prompt engineering as a service comes in a few different forms. You can sell pre-written prompt packs tailored to specific use cases, like a pack of 50 prompts for Instagram content creators, or 100 prompts for real estate agents. These sell really well on Gumroad and Etsy. You can also offer one-on-one consulting sessions where you teach business owners or teams how to use AI tools in their workflow, saving them hours every week. Another angle is creating and selling prompt templates for specific professional tools like Notion AI, Jasper, or even custom GPTs on ChatGPT. As AI adoption grows in the business world, consultants who can walk teams through implementation are in high demand. You do not need to be a coder or tech expert. You just need to be genuinely skilled at getting AI to produce reliable, high-quality outputs and able to explain that process clearly to others. If you can do that, you have a marketable skill that is only going to become more valuable over the next few years. AI-assisted graphic design and branding. Tools like Midjourney, Adobe Firefly, and DALL-E have changed what is possible for people without a traditional design background. You can now generate stunning visual concepts, brand mood boards, logo ideas, and marketing assets in minutes, then refine and finalize them using Canva or Adobe Express. The side hustle here is offering affordable branding packages for small businesses, startups, coaches, or content creators who need a professional look but cannot afford a full-service design agency. A basic branding package might include a logo concept, color palette, font selection, and a few social media templates. Packaged and priced right, These can sell for $200 to $800 each, and if you streamline your process with AI, you can deliver them quickly. Print on demand is another great angle here. You use AI to generate artwork or designs, upload them to platforms like Redbubble, Printify, or Merch by Amazon, and earn royalties every time someone buys a product featuring your design. You carry no inventory, handle no shipping, and your designs can keep generating income for years. The key to standing out in this space is having a unique visual style or specializing in a niche, like pet portraits, motivational quotes, minimalist travel art, or retro aesthetics, rather than trying to appeal to everyone at once. AI-powered online tutoring and course creation. If you have knowledge in any subject area, whether that is a professional skill, a language, a creative craft, or even just a deep hobby, AI tools can help you turn that knowledge into a course or tutoring service with far less effort than before. AI can help you outline a curriculum, write lesson scripts, generate quiz questions, create workbooks, and even build slide presentations. Platforms like Teachable, Podia, and Gumroad make it easy to host and sell courses without needing a big tech setup. Online tutoring is also booming, and AI can give you a serious edge. You can use AI to help you prepare lesson plans tailored to each student, generate practice exercises on the fly, explain difficult concepts in multiple ways, and give feedback faster. This is especially powerful for subjects like math, science, English as a second language, coding, and test preparation. The best part is that once you build a course, it sells passively. You do one round of work, and the product keeps earning. And if you package it well with a clear outcome, for example, learn conversational Spanish in 30 days, or pass your real estate exam on the first try, people are much more likely to buy. AI does not replace your expertise. It just makes delivering and packaging that expertise dramatically more efficient and scalable. Outro. So there you have it. 8 AI side hustles that are working for real people right now. You do not need to start all of them. Pick the one that fits your skills, your schedule, and the kind of work you actually enjoy doing. The biggest mistake is waiting until you feel completely ready. Because with AI tools evolving this fast, the best time to start is now. If you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe, because we drop content like this every week. And drop a comment telling me which side hustle you are going to try first. I read every single one. See you in the next video.